Hey guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with Banana.
Hello everybody, so cold. How are you doing?
And always green.
Okay, let's
And we are going to do a bit of Christmas shopping in Myeongdong. Yes.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All the stores have the decoration. Look how cute this is. And all the and here you can find all the food. And let's go that way.
follow me.
More Christmas lights. And now we're going in top 10. Oh, here's another entrance. Lol. Look how cute.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love
Pretty.
let it snow, let it snow.
So we're at Olive Young and there are so many hair dye on sale. And I kind of want to do pink again. I did before. I'll show you a picture.
Forever, okay?
Yeah, okay. And Banana likes blue. And we both like the purple as well. I also had purple before. I'll put a picture as well of that.
This is ash gray something.
So we are on our way to the Cheonggyecheon stream. And there's supposed to be lots of beautiful Christmas lights. And we're gonna take 100 pictures. And actually that's basically it. We're super cold. I think it's like it's minus something. So Bana told me it's supposed to be open until 12, or even you said all night.
But I didn't know because last year they keep open it every single night. But today I don't know. Maybe because not Christmas yet, or I don't know.
I have to come back. I need
Maybe
to
just
see
in
it.
the weekend.
Okay, so that was the most tragic end ever. Time to go home. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Subscribe to my channel.
guys.
Bye.